I recently turned 55 and had a checkup, and found out that I have high cholesterol, with my LDLs being 158. My doctor said he would like me to try and get it down to below 140. I'm going to try and adjust my diet first before going on a statin. Someone told me about this, and after researching it, I decided to try it too, along with changing my diet. How it's supposed to work. The plant sterols in it are similar to cholesterol and compete with it by taking up space in the intestines and help prevent absorption of dietary cholesterol. These soft gels are on the larger side, but not too hard to get down, and the suggested dose is 3 soft gels twice a day with larger meals.